What's up YouTube, it's your girl Compilations here, and I'm back with another hair review for you guys. So in today's video, I'm coming to you guys with the best 13x4 straight closure ever, guaranteed. So this hair is 16 inches, it is 13x4 closure, and it has a transparent lace, which is very good quality because it melts to my skin really good, especially that I'm new to this. So I'm going to start off with plucking. You need to pluck your hair, but this is not a tutorial for plucking. But if you guys do want a tutorial for plucking, just let me know in the comments, then I will get back to you. So yes, plucking is a very important factor while doing wigs. It also depends on what hairstyle you're looking for. If you're looking for a very natural look, you should always pluck your hair, because the more you pluck, the more natural it looks. It's optional. It depends on what hairstyle you're looking for. So you're gonna see this hair looking not the best right now, but if you stay to the end of the video, you're gonna see it looking better as we go on. So I'm just using a hot comb, then I'm just brushing it out, straightening the roots because the roots seem to be flat. So I did glue it off camera, but as you could tell, there's just some places that need to be glued down again. If this happens to you, just glue it down again and then put a scarf on top so it could be laid properly. So right now it doesn't really look the best, so you're gonna need a wax stick, then you're gonna hot comb it through so it could be flat. The more wax you use, the more flat it's gonna be, and just use a hot comb to flatten it down some more. You just need to trust the process. Trust me, at the end it's gonna look good, at least. Well, I am new to this. I know I said this like 100 times. I am new to doing closures, so if I'm doing anything wrong, just tell me, because I'm not a hairstylist. So just tell me what I'm doing wrong in the comments.
Hit it from the back.
So about this hair is completely amazing. It is great. It straightens nicely, it curls nicely, it does not build up when I put a lot of product on it, like the wax for example. It does not become stale right away, because I know with some straight wigs the quality is not that great, so when you do apply a product it will stale up pretty easily. But at the end of the video, once you see me straighten it, you're gonna see that it's sleek and it flows nicely. I also noticed that with some wigs, once you wash it, the quality decreases, but I noticed when, even after this video, I washed it, I wanted to wash the product off so it'll be ready for next use, I realized that the quality is still good. It did not decrease, because I know with my other straight wigs, my other straight bob that I've gotten from months ago, as I wash it, it just decreases its quality again and again and again. I know that's really irritating, because now I need to buy some more bundles so I could just retouch it. Well, it's just easier to just get a nice quality wig altogether instead of spending more money to make your other wig, your old wig, good again. If that makes sense to you guys. I don't know if I'm explaining that properly, but I'm just trying to say that this quality of the wig is perfect.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on bro.
So what's up as compilations? I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me doing a hair review. I actually adore this hair. It's a closure, but yet you could style it like a frontal. Like, I'm new to styling my hair. I'm doing wigs and all that stuff, and I did pretty good for the first time because the lace is phenomenal. It literally looks like it melted. I had this on for a couple days now, but I'm just showing you a review a couple days later, and I'm just telling you that it still looks amazing. Inside of the box, it came with so many supplements, so many gifts. Like, I'm actually so happy. It came with these lashes. It came with this band that you adjust, super adjustable. I chose not to use it because there's already one that comes with the wig. That's amazing. So I just basically just take this off so it could be shorter or tighter for you guys. Just take it off by adjusting it. So if you do have a bigger head like me, I have a really big head, so you can just attach this to the back of it, and then your wig is secured for the whole day, for the whole month, for the whole year. Well, obviously not, but like, you know what I'm trying to say. All I'm trying to say is that this hair is good, and I'm so happy to be working with them because this is such a good company, and you guys should shop here. Everything's gonna be linked inside of the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. I did end up curling the hair. I'm new to curling my hair. I'm not sure how to really curl your hair properly, but this is the best. It curls, it straightens really nicely. It's just amazing. It's such good quality hair, and I'm pretty sure this hair could last me for months compared to my other wigs. That's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Link will be down in the description box down below. I do recommend you get yourself a nice closure, because like, I know frontals could be expensive. This is why I did this closure review, because most of you guys wear closures, and I'm just showing you how to slay your own closure. I got you. So that's the end of the video, and I just want to thank you to this company, and thank you guys for watching.